Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check your messages on YouTube. So it's really simple and easy. For instance, first of all, just open the YouTube application in your mobile, and this is the home page, and you can see these options in the bottom: home, short, subscription, and your profile icon. So first of all, what you have to do is you can tap on your profile picture here, and as you can see, there is no option for messages. You can tap on this bell icon in the top right corner, and these are all the comments and messages you will get on YouTube. You can filter it here like mentions, alls, comments, and subscribers. So this is the section where you got all the messages, comments, subscribers, and all these things. YouTube will notify you in this section. So till now you can only view messages and all these things in this notification center here. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.